everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Maisela Duyanti, and today I will talk about computer assisted language learning, or you can say CALL. In this video, I will explain 4 parts. The first is the 3 stages of CALL, and the second is the advantages and disadvantages of technology in language learning. And the third is some new vocabulary about technology, and for the last, an example of learning material I made using Canva and Kahoot. Let's begin. Part 1. There are 3 main stages of computer-assisted language learning. The first stage is called behavioristic call, and this happened around the 1917 to 1918. In this stage, computer we use for drill and practice. Students repeat the same exercise many times to remember grammar or vocabulary. It is like doing the same sentence again and again until you get it right. For example, there was an old program called Plato that helped students practice grammar. The focus was repetition. The second stage is communicative call. This was popular in the 1918 to 1990. The idea was that students should use the language to communicate, not just memorize. Computers were used for games, simple email, and chat program. Students practice real conversation using technology. And the third stage is integrative call. This is what we use today. It combines a language skill like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Using the internet and multimedia, we use website, application, and AI tools such as Duolingo, Zoom, Google Classroom, Canva, and even the ChatGPT. These stages help learners practice in a more interactive and interesting way. And for the part 2, advantages and disadvantages of using technology. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using technology in learning language. For advantages, technology makes learning more interactive. Students can listen, watch, and play games. It is flexible. You can learn anytime and anywhere. You get instant feedback from applications like Grammarly or Duolingo. It can motivate students because learning becomes fun. It allows collaboration, so students can learn together online. And for disadvantages, students can get directed by social media or games, and internet problems can stop learning. There is less face-to-face communication, and not all students have equal access to device or internet. And last, some online material are not always correct or reliable. So, technology helps a lot, but we must use it wisely. And the part 3, new vocabulary related to technology. Now, let's learn some new vocabulary related to technology. The first, there is algorithm. It's meaning that a set of steps computers use to solve problems. And there is artificial intelligence, that meaning machine that can think or act like humans. And the third is virtual reality. This is a computer world that feels real, like in games. And there are cloud storage. Cloud storage is saving file online, for example in Google Drive. And the last is interactive platform. There are website or application where user can participate actively. You can use this word when talking about online learning. And the last part is example of learning material. I use the Canva and Kahoot. Now, let's imagine I'm a teacher. I want to make learning material using Canva and Kahoot. The topic is daily expression in English. For the first, I use Canva to make a nice slide or booklet. You can go to www.canva.com and choose presentation or booklet template, and you can edit in there. This makes the material colorful and easy to remember. Then next to use Kahoot for an online quizzes, you can go to www.kahoot.com and create a quiz called Daily English Expression and you make a question in there like what do you say in the morning and which one means goodbye and etc. Students can play this quiz together in class or at home. It's fun and help them review the lesson. Okay, last part. This is a conclusion. I will conclude my explanation. Computer-assisted language learning has 3 stages. The first is behavioristic, the second is communicative, and the third is integrative. Technology makes learning fun, flexible, and interactive, but we should also be careful of its disadvantages. As a teacher, we can use creative applications like a Canva and Kahoot to make our class more interesting and effective. I think enough for me, and thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand more about CAL and how technology support language learning. See you next time and bye bye.